All right, what's going on, you guys? My name is Hussein. Welcome back to Consolidated IPOs, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, we're going to be looking at the Sprinklr IPO. I'm going to sprinkle some fun in your life, little excitement. And I'm very excited because this is a marketing company that takes all the data, everywhere you've been, everything you've done, everything you bought, everyone you talk to, and it kind of like creates your user profile to give you more personalized ads, which I gotta say, guys, I love. A lot of people are a little hesitant about giving their data to other companies or whatever. Not me, man. I want to be served with ads that are relevant to my life. So if you want to learn about the company, stay tuned. Also, do me a favor, guys, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm bringing you the latest and the greatest in IPOs every single week. So don't forget to do that. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. The first thing we're going to look at is this article from Barron's that says Sprinklr targets $5 billion valuation, guys. This IPO is going to be huge. Sprinklr valuation could hit $5 billion. On Monday, they set up the terms. We're looking at a share price of $18 to $20 per share, guys. Is this a good deal? We're gonna see if we're gonna find out. I do have the S1. We're gonna look at their financials to make sure that we are good to go. Now, they have chosen JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, and all those big investment banks to handle their underwriting. At $20 per share, Sprinklr valuation would be $5 billion, guys. This is a company that was founded back in 2009, and it provides customer experience management platform that assists companies in managing their digital identities in advertising, marketing, research, and social media. Just a great company, guys. They have about 1,021 customers, including McDonald's, Microsoft, L'Oreal, Verizon, and more. Please stay tuned because we're going to look at the website and you're going to see how many people this company serves. I mean, we're talking about maybe 70 of the top 100 companies worldwide. As I mentioned before, guys, Sprinklr, ticker symbol is going to be CXM. They're going to be selling shares from $18 to $20 per share on Wednesday, June 23rd. So make sure you mark your calendars. Here's their website, guys, and this is the only platform for all digital customer experiences you will ever need. And here's what I love about this website. They do have an overview video. Let's check it out and find out more about the company and how it works. A quick shout out to my patrons. Your generosity and contributions allow me to do what I love to do and keep the channel growing, so thank you. If you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description.
Human communication is now more public than ever. Conversations that were once saved for in-person interactions are now carried out across smartphones, blogs, and messaging apps. Over 4 billion people, half of humanity, are communicating with each other online. And all of these digital conversations are public, available for friends, fans, and companies to listen and engage with. This ability to publicly interact and react in real time has led to the rise of the modern customer. The modern customer is someone who expects a personalized experience. They compare brands and are quick to embrace or abandon a brand based off of a single interaction. It is the modern customer who now controls the digital world. Sprinklr is able to reach, engage, and listen to the customer across all of these public conversations. With Sprinklr, your company can connect to 25 social platforms, as well as web and messaging. Sprinklr can not only enable your business with these conversations, but it can also help make sense of them. How? Sprinklr takes all of that unstructured customer data and puts it through 7 layers of AI listening processing. These layers break down the data in many ways, such as sentiment, location, visualization, to pull clear customer insights. Insights like why red shoes are selling better in New York or how people feel about the latest smartphone release. Sprinklr then takes these insights and uses a tagging system to organize them into categories so that you can easily see and access the data in a structured, usable format. All of these insights combined make up structured experiential data, and that data combined with structured operational data is extracted using our integrations with first-party digital one-to-one systems such as email, CRM, and marketing automation, which gives you a 360-degree view of the modern customer. Traditionally, the customer interacts with the customer-facing teams, or what we like to call the front office, in an extremely siloed way. With an underlying layer of security, privacy, and governance, your front office teams can constantly share insights, collaborate across workspaces, and continuously communicate with the modern customer through a real-time content optimization process. With Sprinklr's marketing and advertising, you can target your customers with content that is specifically relevant to them and engage with them on a one-to-one level that feels human and authentic. Sprinklr enables you to love your customers by allowing you to have one-to-one personalized conversations with them at a global scale.
All right, so let's look at the company financial data. This S1 was filed May 28, 2021. The company is showing a total revenue for 2021. Let's find total revenue right here. We're looking at $110.9 million in 2021. That's not too bad. This is at the end of April 2021, okay? So let's scroll down and see if we have any net losses or net gains. All right, we're looking at a net loss actually of $14.6 million. So the company's not profitable, which is a good reason to go public. But I think this IPO is really going to help their bottom line. Next, let's find the consolidated balance sheet data. All right, we're looking at cash and cash equivalents of $275.2 million. Total assets, we're looking at $573.4 million. Not too bad. That's a lot of assets. I like that. And total liabilities, we're looking at $184.2 million. So a lot more assets and liabilities. So should you invest in the Sprinklr IPO? Well, I got to tell you guys, I'm very excited about this company. They do what I love to do, which is data analytics, and just get to know your customer, get to know, give them more personalized experience. It's trusted by big companies like Microsoft and McDonald's and all that. So I gotta say, guys, I gotta give this one a big thumbs up. Of course, guys, it's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not investing or financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick service the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I think you'll blow your house, your money, leave you broke, son.